Brilliant, I think. It's one of the most remarkable criticisms of utopianism I've ever read. It's like, and it's so intelligent. It's like, what makes you think that if you had everything you asked for, that would satisfy you? What if being dissatisfied is part of what satisfies you? What if the fact that you have to have limits and need them, and that there's an element of insanity in the world, and that there's an element of insecurity and vulnerability, what if that's what you need? What if it's what you want? What if that's what gives your life meaning? You're going to be like a lion after it's eaten a zebra and do nothing but sleep. It hardly constitutes the appropriate human paradise. What makes people think that merely providing economic security would be sufficient? Who wants that? It's what you offer a cow in its pen so that it remains calm and fat. It's not something for human beings. And that's Nietzsche's fundamental point. And he formulated that, 40 years before the damn Soviet Revolution, when that sort of utopianism was put into practice with absolutely catastrophic consequences.